Hi everyone, this is Kaushika. Welcome to the session of Notion AI. Notion AI is described as an artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity within the Notion workspace. Its capabilities include automating tasks, generating content, and facilitating collaboration through smart suggestion. This section highlights how Notion AI's integration with the Notion platform. Visual content improves user experience by making information more accessible and engaging, which in turn fosters better understanding and retention of complex data. Various types of visual content used in AI are listed, including infographics, charts, diagrams, and videos. Each type serves a unique purpose to convey information efficiently to the users. Notion AI utilizes natural language processing and to understand and generate human language. This facilitates more intuitive interactions and improve user experience in text related tasks. Notion AI can autonomously generate content based on prompts, assisting users in creating drafts, articles, or summarizes quickly and efficiently, thereby saving significant time. Notion AI streamlines the creation of visually appealing marketing materials, allowing teams to quickly develop graphics, videos, and web content that effectively capture audience attention. Through its data analysis capabilities, Notion AI marketers derive actionable insights from customer behavior patterns. This enhances targeted advertising strategies and improves conversion rates. It states that continuously evolving algorithm enhances predictive accuracy and efficiency. This allows for more nuanced data analysis and enables faster decision making across various sectors. Emerging sectors such as healthcare, finance, and education are increasingly integrating AI and personalized medicine to automated tutoring systems. AI is increasingly being utilized across different industries, fostering multi sector collaboration that maximizes data utilization and streamlines processes for improved outcomes. Benefits of AI: saves time, boosts creativity, enhances productivity, helps write fluently. Thank you.